I've been through too much pain, never let haters bring me down. Gotta keep up a steady cash flow, that's where I stay now. Hustle every day, trying to keep my family sane. I don't care about the game, all I need to do is maintain. Money, family, fame, I got money in my mind. Haters talking, I don't listen, gotta shine bright. Every day I gotta shine, every day and night. I ain't never gonna give up, my pockets full, I ain't gonna slum it up. Feel like I'm on a come up, they wanna see me race, I've been through worse. Trying to take my place, family turn to foes first. Things gotta feel at the place, now I'm wearing a crown, I ain't even a frown. Best moving pieces on the board, this isn't a straight chest, I got droves to reach. Yeah, they driving fast, pull up in a coupe. Call it butter, I'm brave, my flow too smooth. Gotta be the best, gotta chase the bag, ain't no time for rest. Every day, steady grind, I'm on top, I came from the bottom. Now I'm living large, I came from the bottom. Shining bright like a star, got eyes on my neck, I'm wearing that crown. Yeah, they bringing me down, I'm on top. Got a squad real long, riding through the city and I'm proving I'm wrong. Ain't no other way, hustle hard. Yeah, we're going forever, nothing gonna stop us. We riding together, we on another level. Haters, they talking, I'm chasing the bag. Money, my mind, I'll stick to the plan. Still amazed that I'm alive. I learned how to strive, grew up in the tough, only the strong survive. Had to hustle just to risk it all. I stayed with them, got the pain and the tears, I'm chasing my dreams.